Nigerian Genius.
Hello, this is TEAM UNIPORT, and this is day 4 of the Nigerian Genius 2024. So this morning was pretty awesome. This morning we had our first brain teaser. We were tasked with building a water dispenser using only cardboard, a straw and a bottle.
We are to build a water dispenser using the materials provided for you. Your water dispenser should be able to dispense water. You should be able to put it off and on, and you have 30 minutes to do that. Your time starts now.
So we approached it with a very practical and scientific sense. This is where I love applying principles, because I like learning and seeing the practical applications of what I've learned. So we used our knowledge of fluid mechanics and our knowledge of pressure difference to construct this water dispenser. We built our structure with the carton given to us, and then we made an elevation inside the carton to place our water bottle, which was going to be our water tank, on top of it. Because if you know anything about fluid mechanics, you know that the greater the height, the greater the pressure difference. So we punched a hole for our straw, which was going to be our water outlet, and then we sealed that hole using our thumb temporarily while we filled in the water tank. Now what happens is that because you sealed that hole, you're going to maintain a consistent pressure within the water vessel, so there's not going to be any leakage even after you remove your hand. But the moment you just unscrew the top a little, water is going to start coming out, because now you've allowed air to enter inside, which causes pressure difference, which is going to push down the water through the height. So our design was quite aesthetic. My teammates did a very awesome job. We spent most of our time brainstorming because we were given only 30 minutes, which is quite limited. But in all, I learned that teamwork is key. Obviously, teamwork is key. Each of us had our strengths. While one of my mates did the structure, and one of my mates punched the hole, and I was assisting them, like this. And but I also contributed by designing the sketch of the structure, the support that we used. So we came first place because our design was very, very awesome, and we got commended by the judges.
Position for this session is TEAM UNIPORT. Which hands do you have for them?
After that, we had our daily progress report, and we reported everything that we had worked on, we had achieved, and everything that we planned to achieve today. And so far, so good. We've achieved most of the things that we reported that we're going to achieve.
We are going to place our order today, so work on assembly tomorrow. So
we are we are optimistic about accomplishing more even before time runs out, and also accomplishing better tomorrow. Okay, I think the only challenge we are facing now is we are still waiting for the hardware components, which thankfully, thanks be to God, we have ordered it, but it's still on its way. And because of some distance constraints, we are not sure it's going to arrive in time, so we might just have to postpone the assembly till tomorrow. But other than that, my teammate is done with desktop application, and my other teammate is we are almost done with the mobile application, and currently I'm working on the slides for the presentation, even though I can't really complete the slides now because we still need to have our hardware and snap it to add it as a graphics in the slide. Our mentors dropped by to ask about our update and to ask us if we had any challenges. So we told them about getting our complaints and ordering our complaints, and they were able to provide feedback and encourage us, and reach out to us and tell us that if we had any problem we should reach out to them, which we definitely will if we have any challenge.
So we really want to kind of like put it together and we want to maximize the space we have.
Although the specifications of most components are online, but
Yes,
it's better to touch it and feel it and measure exactly.
So to our fans out there, I want to say a very big thank you so far for the likes and the comments. I want to encourage you to keep liking and keep supporting us, because our stay here is wonderful. We are learning a lot, we are doing a lot, and we want you to be part of it. So we want you to watch us and maybe be encouraged to apply next year. So a very big thank you to CIC for making this possible, and a very big thank you to all the sponsors of the Nigerian Genius 2024. So from Team Uniport, we love you. Please keep voting us and encourage your friends to vote us too. Thank you.
The Nigerian Genius.